All right, Menina, can you explain to me a little bit about this magnetic colorful lighting, waterproof?
Today we have a hot tub light. This is Menina from MEDIABOXENT Lab. Today we have a hot tub light. It has 2 rubber sealing rings for a very good sealing. It has a very strong magnet, and you can put suction cups on the sides too. It has a hole for wall mounting too.
Yeah,
the
it's
remote
pretty.
control works up to 30 feet away, right? No, 30 meters.
Yeah, it's about 100 feet.
A lot.
That's pretty much a lot. Yeah, and it's time to make RF remote controls. So this light, what I like about this light, it's a waterproof. It has 2 sealing rings. We're gonna go over in a second. It's magnetic, so you can stick this anywhere, in the fridge, whatever you want. And also, if you want to stick this in the pool, or you can use the suction cups right over here. Now, we've been testing this for a while already. We didn't have any problem. You have to make sure you close that. Now, it has 2 O-rings. You get the O-ring right over here, and then you get the O-ring right there. And this is some weight, if you want to put in the pool, try to keep it right there. If not, you just use suction cups to hold it. It requires 3 batteries AA. Batteries not included. I mean, this has been already a week in the water. I didn't have any problem. My guess is people don't close this right. So you make sure you light this. All right, and it's pretty simple. Once it goes there, and then you just press it. Tie it out good. Not super heavy either, but enough for you can see the both sealing rings. They are touching each other. Now, one nice thing is, let's say you have a half a dozen of these things, so you put around the pool or anywhere around the house. But one remote control, you turn everything on. I mean, we're talking 30 meters. We're talking about like almost 100 feet away. And this is RF, no longer infrared. So we have the red color. Then we get green. Now, it looks a real nice green. It's hard to see it here because of my light in the studio. This is blue. You can use a combination. That's a purple light. This is a yellow. That's light blue. Then we have the white flashing, and it flashes between colors. Crossfade. I like that one with the purple one. That was pretty cool though. That one there. Then we have spike. Keeps changing. The automatic 24-hour and keeps changing. And then a mix. So like I said before, I mean, you can have half a dozen of this all around the house, and when one single button you press it, everyone will come on. In our case, we keep this in the bathroom to light up, make a cool effect. We keep it actually on the top of the medicine cabinet to give it some effect when we got friends coming over, and it looks pretty cool. Or you can handle this anywhere. I mean, it's not only to be used on a pool. You can use it anywhere in the house. You can use it for the centerpiece as well too. You can put decoration, use it for centerpiece. You can use it for a million things. One of these devices. So it's a nice to do a cool decoration in the house. And one thing I definitely like it is RF wireless. No longer you need to point to the device. Now you can just go anywhere, point this, go a block away, and this thing will come on anyway. To get more information on this product, like always, will be right below the video.